people who accuse you and who make you fool and who mock you. You may have no resource to attack them and get back to them. But now in Revelation chapter 6 verse 16 it says, "And said to the mountains and rocks, fall on us and hide us from the face of him that sitteth on the throne and from the wrath of the Lamb." No, people may stone you and spit you and gossip about you right now. Don't be in trouble. Amen? This is just a short period of time, And there will be a time when your enemy will call to those bad things fall on them. Amen? So as we are Christian, have this hope that we don't need to have revenge to other people, because Jesus himself say, love your enemies. It means we will just stay and love people, because there will be a time all the bad people will call upon, curse. They will call upon all the dangerous, all the things they don't like before. They will say, come and fall on me. I want to die.